Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give a quick introduction to how you can do a pretty cool online walkthrough, um, letting people move through your site if you've got a funky site and you want to share some information. You know what it's like. You go to a new program and it says click here, click there, click there. So I've been playing around on my Zoho training. When you click the accept the cookies, the little walkthrough starts. Look, join my free training. Click here, right? Or click next. Join the forum to go deeper. And then share with your team. Done. How was that? That keeps vanishing. I need to fix that. But then you can do an exit survey as well. So what I've been doing is I saw this thing called walkme.com, and it's free. Where's the pricing? It's free for up to 3 walkthroughs, yeah. So you can do 3 walkthroughs up to 3 tiers per walkthrough, 300 assists per month, basic online support. Obviously there's a paid version. I don't know how much the paid version comes. But I was playing around and I'm just going to show you how I got that working, and you can get it working for you for free, and then you can look at going in deeper with these guys. So basically when you start up, you'll get started, you'll do a sign up, and it'll log in like anything that logs in. What you'll then get asked to do is add a Chrome extension if you're using Chrome, and you'll add the app. There's an app that comes on a Windows or Mac device, and that is the 2 things you'll need to install. So then what you do is you go to the page you want to start working on, and if I go to my walkthroughs, this is the training one, right? So you'll see here, join my training, join to go deeper, share with your team, right? So when I play that on here, it's, share, done, right? So let's do a full brand new one. Let's do let's pick another training course, right? So, oh, not this one. Let's go back. So if we were going to do a new one for this, what you would do, and I'm not an expert in this yet, I'm just showing you how cool it is, how funky it is. You would add a new walkthrough, so I'm going to do Zoho 1 training. Continue. Start your walkthrough. So what you would then do now is when you click add, it'll jump you onto the page and you can start loading it, right? Add. So now it's going to say, what do you want to add? So I want to click here and say, join my training for free. Next step. So then I'm going to find my next thing. So right with this block here. Join the discussion to go deeper. Something like that, right? Next step. This one I clicked up here. Share with your team. Next step. Might be down here. View lessons. And then you might go done, right? So now I've got these steps. So it starts, you have to actually initiate a start as well. So please save changes, okay, save and continue. New launch, so you want it to launch open page, right? Continue. Oh no, yeah, I should have just clicked here and then go auto play, right? So this is what I want it to do. Auto play, create rules, create determine, so I just do URL, current URL is, and I'm going to pick that URL up there and add rule. Oh no, I don't want to add rule. Let's just save. Done. So now I've got an auto play once a day. Always once a day, however often you want it to show. Save. So now if I go to play, it's gonna click here. Why is the next button not showing? Let's close this. Oh. Walk through, I'll say next, right? Select trigger next. So you can make it do funky things. This is not a full introduction. This is not a full video on how to use this software. This is me just introducing to show you how you can do it. But there's all sorts of extra triggers you can do and extra things to make it funky. So I want to go next. The question is, does that one? Yeah, that one's got one. And that one's got one. I don't know why the first one didn't have a next. So now when I click play, it's got a next. Jumps down here, jumps down here, jumps down here, view the lessons, done, right? So I'm pretty happy with that as it stands, and I save it. Now the final step is to publish it on your website, right? So if I go back to here and go to Zoho One Training, it's not going to show, right? So what I need to do, there's two things you need to do. One part I've already done. When you go publish here, you see how one's in orange because it's draft and one's in green because it's published. So I'm going to do publish and then pick. This is for the menu. I'm not sure you want to use that or not. There's a little menu comes up at the bottom of the screen if you leave that in. Save that. Publish. So this one here, I'm going to go production and I'm going to publish to production, right? So what you also have to do as a step is on this snippet, you have to grab this snippet and put it wherever you, in the header, you have to put the header tag. So usually that's where you've put your Google Analytics code, you've put some custom code for your live chat, whatever it is, your header information. On mine, it's, obviously I've got a Teachable website, so mine's in Teachable code snippets and then header code snippet. So if you got a WordPress blog or something, you would have somewhere in the themes information to put code in the header. So now when I refresh this page, I'm there we go, now it works, look, so it's gone straight away. Next, next, next. So really cool, I really like it. It's walkme.com and it gives you options to do more than what I've shown you, you know, add videos, add files, show people certain things, play a video, you know, maybe I'd want to have a learn more button that says play introduction video, and you could embed a YouTube video on there as well. Lots and lots of cool things it can do. I just wanted to introduce you to getting a step-by-step walkthrough on your website for free. Everything I've done here has not charged me yet. It said I could do 3, didn't it, on that website, and the pricing free. I can do free up to 5 steps per walkthrough. Obviously, a paid version gives you a lot more information. So, hope it helped. Just an introduction to WalkMe. Any questions? If I get a few people interested, I'll create a training course on how to use walkme.com and how to add it to your website and stuff like that. I'll do a more in-depth. I'll go into each thing. You know, we'll talk about surveys and things and onboarding and all that stuff in a new video, in a new series. Hopefully when my voice is better. This is the Monday morning after England won a World Cup quarter-final on Saturday, so I can hear that my voice is a little bit tired. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment as always below and I'll help you out the best I can. Cheers.